Lifting Technology, How It Works by Stinako. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Stinako is a company that looks at the world of lifting technologies. Lifting technology has transformed the way we move large goods and even ourselves, from cranes to trucks and lifts to escalators. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the wonderful world of lifting technology, including how it works, the different types of lifting machinery and equipment, and some of the most remarkable feats of lifting that have been done by Stinako. So sit back, relax, and prepare to learn about the amazing technology used by Stinako to lift large items. What exactly is lifting technology? Lifting technology is a complete solution for facilities that require constant modification of the venue and seating due to the varied schedule as well as the various shows and events that take place there. Stinako's role in lifting technologies. Depending on the activities at the facility, Stinako select the best lifting technology. Because of their innovative construction, movable stands, seating for spectators are commonly used for sporting facilities. Theaters, on the other hand, require movable stages because different shows require different effects. Telescopic seating systems. We install simple, permanent, removable, and mobile spectator stands in athletic facilities. The majority of the stands may be used both indoors and outdoors. Simple stands, as the name implies, are easy to use. Movable stands are unique in that they are often custom engineered to meet the dimensions and design of the venue where they will be placed. Our technicians will install the stands so that they may be opened using motors. They are secured to the floor in the open position by releasing air from the wheels. The metal base is insulated from the floor by a particular revolutionary rubber that avoids floor damage. This is followed by the seats being lifted using a mechanical or pneumatic drive. The procedure is repeated to pull the stands back into their original position. An automated control system enables efficient and flexible use of space. Movable stages. As a full-service supplier, we install mobile stages for opera houses, concert halls, and music halls. We have specialized in the construction of sophisticated movable stages that are generally operated by electric motors since our clients want high-performance systems. The motors are then linked together via ropes, chains, screws, or hydraulics. We are experts in the installation of the following lifting equipment: steel wire drives, mobile lifting units, stage wagons, stage rotates, super silent winches, hydraulic drives, push-pull chain and screw drives. We develop a platform based on the customer's specifications, using drives and ropes to achieve the required effects. Erecting opera/theater curtains, erecting speaker bridges, erecting lighting effects, erecting safety curtains, erecting partitioned and acoustic shutters, erecting fire safety doors, erecting platform variations. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the box below. If you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to our channel and click the notification button to be notified when we upload videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.